Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. Springtime is very beautiful in UK. You get to see a lot of flowers blooming around. So this weekend we had a short walk nearby in the rapeseed garden. So in my today's video I'll be sharing with you all few glimpses from our weekend walk. I also made few varieties with oats. That is the regular oats with milk and fruits, and also oats idly and oats dosa. Do watch it till the end, you'll like it. Yorkshire is beautiful and splendid with its huge farmlands and greenery. So, whenever it's possible, we take time to discover the places around us. So we just discovered a rapeseed farm in the nearby area. It was looking very beautiful with all these pretty flowers, yellow flowers. This is quite similar to our mustard seeds garden in India. So we spent some time here walking around it and clicking few pictures here and there. That was a sneak peek into our evening walk. And back to home, I'll be sharing with you all few recipes which I've made with oats. Now the first oats recipe is the regular one which we all make at home. After boiling oats and milk, we add different fruits, nuts, whatever we want to into this and have. So here what I'm going to do is initially while boiling water, we add a pinch of salt, and then I also add some flax seeds or powdered flax seeds into this because flax seeds are very good to health. So in whatever way possible, try to consume it at least 1 or 2 tablespoons every day. So if I'm making oats, that's the best thing, easiest way to add flax seeds in the water first, and after boiling you can just straight away add oats and later milk and cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes in the low flame. Now for sweetness, I'm using some honey into this to avoid sugar. If you want, you can go for jaggery as well. After adding honey, we can straight away add fruits, garnish it and enjoy your oats pudding. Now in order to make oats, idli and dosa, I'll be using the same batter. So for that I took 1 cup of urd dal, adding few fenugreek seeds into it and then soak them overnight. So next morning while grinding, I'll be adding 1 cup of oats to this urd dal and then grinding it well. This will be soft and slightly sticky. We are completely avoiding the rice in this, especially for those of you who are on diet and who want to lose weight. This is the best breakfast item because we'll be avoiding rice completely in this. So only the urd dal and oats paste. It's quite healthy and I'll show you how the idlis and dosas come out. They're really yummy. Now into this goes 1 cup of curd and a little bit of salt as per the requirement. And after adding all these ingredients, we'll mix them properly, get it into the dosa batter consistency and leave it at least for half an hour to 45 minutes. Since we are adding curd to this, curd and salt help it to ferment fast, so you can make instant idlis and dosas. Initially I'll be showing you idlis. You can easily make out the idlis are really soft, but then the thickness when compared to the rice idlis is less. I'll be showing you now. The rice idlis will be very thick and heavy if you noticed, but here because we're adding only oats to the urd dal, the thickness will be a little less compared to the other ones. But then the softness, the texture and also the taste is really good. So these are your oats idlis. They're very healthy and yummy. You can enjoy them with your favorite chutney. Now with the same batter, I'm making dosas. In order to get the better consistency, you can add a little bit of more water for dosas, because for idli we need little thicker consistency. So while making dosas, we can add a little extra water and get it into the proper consistency and make dosas. So now your healthy and yummy oats dosa and idli are ready. You can enjoy them with your family. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another vlog.